the Indian corporates, the issue which they are facing now, the big issue is the budget. The budget is always on the lower side. Okay, so currently there are few markets where our Indian corporates are traveling. Few countries in GCC market, like they would like to travel Riyadh, Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait. Okay, in European countries like Germany, Luxembourg, East Europe. So they wanted to travel, but they have this certain budget. In that budget only, they would like to travel. So there are group travels are happening in Indian corporate companies like ThoughtWorks, eClerks. They are traveling there, and they group travels along with their families also joining them, and they look for apartments, apart hotels in a lesser value.
WeShare is always like to cater corporates, so we are doing this mice groups, as he mentioned. Mice group then later convert to FIT for their families. So the advantage of these kind of corporate groups is like they come in volumes. So that's the big advantage. Once you say it's a budget friendly, they are looking for. So the budget can accommodate once it's come with volume. So and that's our specialty, as we are a wholesaler B2B company based in Europe. So we have all corporate tie-ups for this kind of groups. We have a better pricing for hotels. We have a wholesaler pricing for all these kind of monument tickets, kind of Disneyland, Versailles, Louvre. We have a strong partnership on that segment. Then we have a venues, especially venues for these kind of events. We did events of a 5,000 people. You say 5,000 people is really big number for French market. In India, it's a small number. But for French people, there is no venue for more than 100 people or 200 people. So that's we cater in an open space. We arrange a gala event for them. So and we are good for that market. So that's we do all.
So Indian people who are traveling, they always look for the rooms with basic amenities like a microwave, a small kitchen, a washing machine, because they want to save some money on laundry part as well. Okay, and something which is near to their specific location or near to their company. So yeah, they want to save money on laundry, the travel. So yeah, there we can help them.
So that's why WeShare, we have not only hotels, we have apartments also. And with this apartment, we have all kind of amenities. You mentioned like washing machine and cooking. They can cook by themselves as they come with their family with kids. So they need a more space, not like a hotel. And they like to cook by themselves. So yeah, we have these kind of properties for everyone. So we started last year in Dubai, and now we are expanding other GCC market like Qatar, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, the new. So we are adding Fujairah also in our destination list. So we are really focused on that side.
Okay.
And apart from GCC, we are doing more Southeast Asian countries also, like Korea, Thailand, Mauritius, Maldives, Japan. So we are introducing lots of really good market. But the problem with new Trump policy, as they are not allowing visa for and the waiting time is more than 12 months. So it's not good for corporates, but for FITs we are really trying our best to. It's because they have some visa delays, so it's really slow. But people like to go to New York more. People like to go, if they're like honeymoon, they like to go for Las Vegas a lot. For beaches, they like to go for Miami a lot. So we have all kind of partnership in US market, but we still watching the new regulations. Then we can treat it. What to do for Latin like Mexico and other destinations. People like to do a lot after watching of Netflix movies like Pablo Escobar and a lot. So people Narcos, and so people like to go and see there, and it's really safe for the moment. But still there is not huge demand for the moment from India.